Hi, I'm Phelan from the Irish Independent. I'm joined here today by Eimear Cotter, who has been covering the Ana Kriegel murder trial. Eimear, can you take us back to what happened to Ana?
Ana Kriegel was a 14-year-old schoolgirl from Leixlip. On the 14th of May 2018, her parents reported her missing. She had left her home with a boy known as Boy B. 3 days later, in an abandoned house in Lucan, her body was found by Gardaí who had been searching the area for her. Indeed, in that 3-day period, Gardaí from numerous Garda stations, civil defence and Ana's family had frantically searched the area for her, and her body was then found.
So we have two defendants in this case, so it effectively was two trials in one.
That's correct. Yes.
And
the evidence against Boy A was very different to the evidence against Boy
Yeah,
B.
can you take us through that a bit? So what was the prosecution's case in relation to each defendant? If we take Boy A first.
The prosecution case against Boy A was very much in relation to the forensics. Indeed, the prosecution lawyer Brendan Graham said that the forensic case against Boy A was overwhelming. For example, Ana's DNA, her blood, was found on Boy A's boots. He had a backpack which was found in his bedroom, which Gardaí found in his bedroom, and it contained a mask, a zombie mask. It contained shin guards, knee pads, and some of Ana's DNA, some of her blood was on the mask, was on the backpack, and that was Gardaí were then able to link Boy A to the scene where Ana was found. There was no forensic evidence against Boy B, none at all.
And he was alleged to have been present at the time of the murder.
It was alleged, and it was from his own, what he'd said to guards initially when he was a witness to Ana's disappearance, that he had been asked by Boy A to bring Ana to the park so that Boy A could discuss relationship issues. So initially he said in the first interview that he had brought Ana to the park, he'd left her with Boy A and he'd walked away, and that was the end of it. But after 17 hours, what he said was that he had brought Ana to the house, the derelict house where she was found, and then he was there, he saw Boy A bring her to the ground, flip her to the ground and start choking her. And then his evidence was, or what he told Gardaí in interviews, was that he panicked, he was shocked, he was scared, and he ran away.
And in relation to Boy B, the defence said that the prosecution case simply didn't add up. What else did they say to the jury, or how did they make that argument?
Well, I suppose what they said was, who in their right mind would go to a girl's house, pick her up, bring her to an abandoned house, knowing that within 45 minutes that she was going to be killed, that it just did not add up why somebody would do that, knowing that the family, Ana's family, knew who he was, that it just did not add up why he would do that, and that he thought he was doing a favour for a friend and he was bringing her because Boy A wanted to talk about a possible relationship. The defence barrister said that Boy B thought that maybe what might happen in the house was maybe some kissing, but he never realised, he did not know what Boy A was planning, as in to murder Ana.
Okay, Eimear, thank you very much for that. For more on this case, check out the Irish Independent, Sunday Independent, The Herald and independent.ie.